Hey class, so let's talk about libraries and packages. So you may have seen something like this at the top of your code. Import, and then it'll say something like java.io.asterisk, something like this. So what this is it is a way for us to include lots of different classes from a library. We've already done this a little bit. This actually gives us the way to use the scanner class, and the string class is already built in a library in Java, so we don't have to import it. But if we want to use a library that somebody else has built, we can grab that library from a set of packages, or in this case, we're going to grab a package out of a library, and we can then use that for ourselves. So we don't have to define what the classes and objects are. So in our case here, we are going to create a new import statement at the top of our code when we're using shapes. Adhesive has created some a shapes library or a shapes packages set here for us. And so at the top of our code, we're going to write this: import adhesive dot shapes dot star. Let's break down what each one of these parts means. So adhesive, this is the library. Shapes is the package. And the star is what's called a wildcard. So this is a wildcard. And basically it means get all classes. So if we were looking for a specific class and we didn't want to load too many classes into our memory, in this case we don't really have an issue because we're not importing a lot of things, but we can import star, and that way we have access to all of the shapes within the adhesive library. So then how do we use this? Well, we can use it by just simply creating our class. So one of the classes that's built into this shapes library is the circles class. So we can say circle, circle C equals new circle. That's an R circle. And now we have just instantiated a new circle. Next, we're going to learn about how to use the constructors. I'm going to split this into two videos so that it's a little bit easier to keep this organized.